Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, starting with the name of Allah, which is specially merciful and entirely merciful. Today our topic is skew-symmetric matrix. A square matrix is called skew-symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to minus A. Suppose we have a matrix 0, minus 4, 4, 0 into brackets A. By taking its transpose, its first row becomes first column and second row becomes second column. That is the left hand side, A transpose. Now taking negative of matrix A, minus A is equal to minus into brackets 0, minus 4, 4, 0. By multiplying each element minus with each element, we will get 0, 4, minus 4 and 0. This is negative A. So if you compare their order, it's 2 by 2, 2 by 2. If you compare their corresponding elements, 0, 4, 0, minus 4. So hence prove that A transpose is equal to minus A. So this kind of matrix is called skew-symmetric matrix. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.